guys, welcome back to another video. Modelasimms here. In this video I'm going to be trying out a new wig from Luvmehair. If this video sounds like something you're interested in, make sure you stick around and let's get right into it. The unit I'm going to be trying out is a ready to wear brown highlight wig. It is a yaki straight lace bob wig with bang. Okay guys, let's get right into slaying this unit. Straight out of the box, this is what the wig looks like. Let me know in the comment section below if you're gonna rock this hair, because it kind of looks cute even without doing nothing to the hair. I'm gonna proceed with styling this hair. See you at the end of this video. guys, so I am done installing this hair. I am done with this unit. It's looking very cute. I wasn't expecting this at all. I kind of like it. Let me know what you think about this hair. Let me know if you're gonna rock this hair. And yes guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you on my next video. Take it easy.